A Few Rules for Beginners by Katherine Mansfield, 1888 to 1923. Babies must not eat the coal, and they must not make grimaces, nor in party dresses roll, and must never black their faces. They must learn that pointing's rude, they must sit quite still at table, and must always eat the food put before them, if they're able. If they fall, they must not cry, though it's known how painful this is. No, there's always mother by, who will comfort them with kisses. Okay, this is by Katherine Mansfield. Katherine Mansfield was the pen name of Kathleen Mansfield Beesham. She was a New Zealand writer and a journalist and essayist. She's a very important modernist writer. She had quite a bohemian life. I think she was good friends with Virginia Woolf, with John Maynard Keynes, with Lytton Strachey, with Bertrand Russell, T.S. Eliot, Ezra Pound. So she knew a lot of the important writers of the time. Okay, so what's this about? Well, this is about what children must do. And I get it's a few rules for beginners. And the beginners are people starting out in life, for babies. So it says babies must not eat the coal and they must not make grimaces. So I think here she's looking at all the rules that children must obey, and she's looking at it ironically and thinking that all of these rules are a little bit ridiculous, and that the world is just full of rules. So babies must not eat the coal. So babies can't eat coal, or they shouldn't, and they must not make grimaces. So they mustn't grimace. They're only allowed to smile, so everything's got to seem all right. Nor in party dresses roll. So little girls mustn't roll in their party dresses on the floor, and must never black their faces, and must never get anything black on their face. That would be very bad. They must learn that pointing's rude, so it's rude to point. They must sit quite still at table. So they're not allowed to move at table. They're not allowed to jump up and down, even though kids are kids, and must always eat the food put before them if they're able. Okay, so and they must always eat the food that's in front of them. If they're physically able to eat it. Also with this, notice the rhyme: coal roll, grimaces faces, rude food, table able. But the rhythm of the poem makes it very difficult to actually get the lines to rhyme. If they fall, they must not cry, though it's known how painful this is. So if children fall over, they must not cry. And this is pretty ridiculous because it's really painful if you fall over. No, there's always mother by, who will comfort them with kisses. So mother is always near them to take away the pain, to kiss away the pain, and mother is always there to resolve their problems for them. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A Few Rules for Beginners by Katherine Mansfield.